And now a Volkswagen antifreeze on my face and glasses. That was harder than it needed to be. This was all rotted out right here. And the gasket popped out, and then away goes the coolant. Can't be any worse than the plastic one, and I would argue it's probably a lot better. There we go, there's the water pump in place, new gaskets, etc. What do we see? A torn boot. The axle is finally out, so roughly 150 pound-feet plus 180 degrees. So that's a lot. We accomplished what we set out to do. It wasn't particularly easy. And I learned that I don't particularly love working on Volkswagens. Till next time, keep it in the litter box. Cheers.